Hi everybody, how's it going? This tutorial is going to show you how you can crop, resize, and reset the resolution for your files that you'll be using for your contact sheet in the Photo Alphabet project. Okay, so I've opened up Photoshop, and what I'm going to do is just start off by clicking on the file at the top and go to Open. And I'm going to select an image. So this is a painting that I've already resized, but I can show you how to crop it first. This is the crop symbol over here on the left side. If you hold the cursor over the top of it, you'll see it says crop tool. So cropping is a really good way for you to hone in on the part of the image that really tells us what letter of the alphabet you're wanting us to see in the particular photo. And sometimes you don't need to crop, but you want to do the cropping first before you resize the image, okay? So you can put this cursor on the corners, you can place it on the side. These are the little markers where the line is heavier, and you just click on it and pull in or pull out. If it's somewhere in the middle, you're going to have to play around with several corners before you get to the place that is cropped, is the subject of your composition. Once you're done finding your composition, then you're ready to crop the image. So go up here at the top, you'll see in this right corner that there's a check mark, there's a cancel symbol, and there's a reset. If I press reset, it's just going to take me back to the original image, and I'll go back in and just play around with this. And then when I'm done, I'll hit the check mark, and there's my image. Okay, so maybe I'm going to use this for letter I. Okay, so now I'm ready to reset the size. So I'm going to go to Image up here at the top again, scroll down to Image Size. Now when I'm looking at my dimensions, the width and the height up here at the top are already set for pixels. I am going to change the larger number. So right now, this height and width are both below 1280. And 1280 is what I was using as a way of standardizing all of my images. But because it's below that, I'm going to use 600, okay? And it automatically changed the width. And if you saw that I clicked on the constrain proportions, I did that so whatever number I changed in the height, it'll automatically change the number in the width, and vice versa. Down here where we have document size, it's telling you what the document would print out at if you were to do that, and it's also telling you the resolution. So resolution, we have 72 pixels per inch. That is fine for what we're doing because this is going to show up as a thumbnail. So I'm going to click OK, and I'm ready to go. So this crop border isn't going to disappear until I save. So I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to save. And this is an opportunity to change the file name to your last name. And then I like to hit that that underline as a divider between my last name and then the letter of the alphabet. Okay, so this is what mine's going to look like. Now I can go down to Photoshop here and save my image as a JPEG. Okay, and I'm ready to go. It's done. Now this it also wants to save it as a Photoshop document. So here I'm just going to do the same thing. And then I can close it, and I'm ready to go on to the next image. So once you've closed, once you've changed your files, this is also another possibility, is as you save it, it might give you the choice to start a folder. So here I have a folder, new folder, and I can just label this as Photo Alphabet Images. You really want to have all of your images together in a folder. It makes it so much easier than looking around your computer and grabbing each of the images that you want to use for this contact sheet. So there you have it. Okay, good luck, and just email me if you have questions.